Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include remote start, heated steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor. Make a great choice today with the 2023 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, heated front seats, keyless start. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.